Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. If you always wanted to know how to make money online, I think that this video will be useful for you. Join, let's have some fun. And today I want to share with you my own trading experience, and I want to share with you my own way to trade on Forex, and one of the biggest markets that making like huge tons of dollars daily for a lot of traders. I'm using the IQ option platform. This platform is absolutely suitable for all of my trading purposes, and this is absolutely great. So I left the link, especially for my subscribers, I left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily find it, of course, and you can pass the registration on the platform, join the platform, and start to making money. I want to the main purpose of this video is to show that this is pretty interesting, simple, and exciting. Okay, as you can see, I pressed the buy button right here, and the price is going fast. It's moving higher, and this is great because like in couple seconds, I showed you that in couple seconds you can make like 15% of profit based on your amount of investment. Right now my investment is $100, and I have almost $20 in just 1 minute. Think about it. You can get 20% of profit or more, even more, if you will choose the correct way of the price movement. This is pretty awesome, and if you're gonna stay on the platform, and if you're gonna trade, for example, 1 hour daily, or at least half of hour daily, you can make big profits, and you can make huge extra income to your own pocket, to your credit card. And this shows that there's a way to make money online, just having your laptop or having your smartphone to getting onto the platform. And investing small amounts of money. This is the very important thing, that you don't need the thousands of dollars for first investment. A lot of people thinking that investment is something difficult, investment is something big and unaffordable, but it's not. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and with the correct tools and right tools, transparent and very convenient tools, you can make money like sitting on your couch in front of your laptop. You see 22%, 20, and I'm still waiting. I want to wait a little bit. In every assets that I'm trading right now, there's a growth and there's a profit. Of course, you can trade on a lot of assets. Right now 57 assets are available on the platform, and you can choose any of them, and you can start trading on any of them. For that, of course, you need to find the link in the description panel to get to the platform. Go to the platform, pass the registration, and try to trade. If you don't want to take a risk for real money, you can start trading on practice account first, and after you'll feel more confident in your actions on the platform, you can make your first deposit. Literally, minimum deposit on the platform is $10. So I believe that everybody has $10. I'm sure that you're spending more money to get a coffee daily, and don't drink coffee. Make your money work for you. That's pretty simple advice, but of course, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is the main point, because investment in general, investment is pretty risky stuff, and if you feel right in something, you should go for it. And if you feel that you need extra income, if you feel that you need more money, you have a job or not, doesn't matter. And if you have some small amounts of money to invest, start investing right now, because more time you spend in the investment, more profit you'll get in the future. This is absolutely truth. So try it for yourself, and I want to show you that this is pretty simple. It's not difficult. Let's see what's happening. In this asset we have 20%. On this asset we have 16%. On this asset we have 10% of profit. It's about 50% of profit in the minutes. And if you at least once tried to open your own business in the internet, you know that it's pretty complicated and long. It takes time to get your profit. For example, you sell it on Amazon, or you have your online shop, for example. You need to spend much more time to that, and to sell the products or goods. It's incredible. It's very fascinating. But here on the platform, you can make a 50% of profit in a minute. And this is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. You see right now it's 20% and it's still growing. The trend is upgoing. The situation seems pretty amazing. So if you want to try, go to the description panel of this video, find the link, and get to the platform with a big discount for our subscribers. Pass the registration, of course. Write down your email, your password, create it, confirm your email, and you'll be able to trade on real money. You'll be able to make real profits on the platform, and this is absolutely amazing. When you see that profit is not bad for the moment, see the price is going down, and there's interesting widget right here. You see that the 52% of people who are on the platform right now thinking that the price will go down, and 48 thinking that the price will go up. It's like 50-50. Let's wait a couple minutes and let's see that price is changing, and we can catch this moment to get our own profit on this platform. Price went down a little bit, as you can see, but it doesn't matter. The price is changing all the time, and this is the key actually to make a profit. You just need to choose the way, which way the price will go. You need to press just two buttons, buy or sell, and wait a little bit. Okay, I showed you how in couple minutes how to make interesting amount of profit in just minutes. This is very exciting because count how much money you earning on your job for 1 hour, for example, and count how much money you can make on this platform using this platform for 1 hour daily. Try this tool. To easily find this tool, go to the description panel of this video, find the link, and go to the platform. Join to the platform and get your profit. Just get your profit. And again, switch, yes. Get your profit. Get your profit. That's it. That's pretty simple, and you can try it yourself. This is the funniest thing that I wanted to say. Guys, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Think wise and go via the link in the description panel of this video to get the big bonus to get to the platform. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was very useful. See you in the next one. Bye.